Today's heart remedy is quince syrup. When the chilly wind starts to blow, a warm cup of quince tea comes to mind. Quince is rich in tannins and pectin, which soothe throat inflammation and gently protect the bronchial tubes. If you have a frequent cough or a dry throat during the changing seasons, quince syrup serves as a reliable natural remedy. Take care of your winter health with warm tea, and enjoy it as a refreshing drink in the summer. Quince syrup can also be used in sauces or stews, adding a subtle aroma and a healthy sweetness. Peel thinly, soak in sugar at a 11 ratio, and let it mature in a cool place for over 3 months to complete. Add a spoonful to your tea or use it as a dressing to enhance your breath and daily life with a gentle fragrance.